Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Leadership and Organization, LDRS 722. So this is a small section for the second 8 weeks for a few people who needed this class to move forward with their degree program. I am Dr. Tracy Sigler, and I'll be working with you this session. I am the department chair for leadership studies, and so as part of that role, I'm wearing my uniform, even though we don't wear uniforms when we're teaching graduate students. So I want to welcome you to the class. So to get to the modules, for some of you, this might be your first time through Canvas. For some of you, this is old information. So you can start here and move through. So this course is the intro to the Leadership Master's Program, and for some of you, it may be an elective that introduces you to leadership theory and leadership approaches. So you will be using leadership theory and practice. Here's my copy. I got it for $30 from Amazon. So get that if you don't have it already. There'll be a matrix where you're going to be applying the theories that you're learning about to your own experience, and then there are going to be some discussion posts where you will post and respond, but there's only 3 of you, so you need to get in and respond to the other 2 people so that there is some discussion going on, and then finally at the end, you will complete and submit a reflective portfolio. All of the assignments are set up to be due Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Be sure you get your things in on time, or there will be a penalty for being late. The best way to get me is through email. Grading will be done, and again, there's not very many of you, so within at least a week. So take a look at the learning objectives. Here's some information about me. So I came to the Citadel in 2018 and started out in the business school. So I may have met you through that route. Okay, so our first week, the overview of week 1, and there's a lot going on. So be sure you get in and see what's going on, and then the process, the approach, the assignments will be the same moving forward. So the first week might take a little more work. So you can introduce yourselves, take a look at chapter 1, and there's actually a PDF of that if you are, if you don't have your book yet. There's another chapter in the leadership theory book that is available online through the library. Case study and a post, a podcast, another podcast, and then a discussion post. Okay, so here is that first chapter if you need it. Here is your first assignment. So this is just a post about the difference between management and leadership. The rubric for the discussion boards is found up here. See where the 3 dots are at the top? And then the rubric comes up. So that's how the discussion boards will be assessed. Here's the case study for you to take a look at. Here is the discussion board assignment about that case study. Okay, so here is the discussion prompt. So you should post your initial response by Wednesday so that people have time to reply. Again, week 1, it might take a little while to get going. So here's a video, and here's Dr. Egan, who is the lead instructor on this course. Here is a link to the podcast about leadership. So you can listen to the podcast or you can read the transcript. Okay, and so here is your second discussion board that requires a response. So listen to the podcast, watch the video, and then answer this question. Does the framework for leadership as a process shift the way you have traditionally viewed leadership? Why or why not? How will it help you? So again, your original post should be Wednesday and the other two by the end of the week. That brings us to Module 2. So let me know if you have any questions and have a good week.